I'm the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. Today I'm making a natural cold process soap without coloring or fragrance oil. I very love my soap follies, but every once in a while I prefer a no fuzz, simple but effective soap, like this one. Some of my relatives also prefer them, so I always make them before I one night. For this one, I choose to use my favorite mix of cocoa, olive, coconut and castor oil, combined with a commercial mix of water and coconut milk. He has paled enormously over time, but has kept this little creaminess. The foam is abundant and creamy. It has pleased a lot of persons, like every time I realize it. I really like the result, and you, what do you think? You can find my recipe and links in the description box. If you want to see similar recipe, you can find what you're looking for in my previous videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. You can find me here on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok if you have any question for me. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.